Today talk about who was man transfer in Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar is one of the personal popular in Tamil Nadu. He was born on 15th July 1903 in Virudhunagar of Tamil Nadu. His father name was A. Kumarasamy and mother name was A. Sivagami Ammal. A true leader, visionary, Bharat Ratna K. Kamarajar. Kamarajar is affectionately known as Perundalavar or Kingmaker. Kamarajar is childhood Kamarajar. Actively participated in Indian freedom struggle. Kamarajar most enduring, legendary, unreadable midday meal scheme. Kamarajar opened many schools and many dams by providing nutrient meals in school. Even the challenge goal can be achieved. Let us ask you to embody the value of the humility, hard work and commitment to making a positive difference in world. Thank you.